Cynthia, samahan mo Pastor Ronald kasi Amen. Okay, dito kayo sa bandang, dito kayo kabila sis. Amen. Let's sing happy birthday dahil mabuti ang Panginoon. May tanong muna ako, dalawa ng birth ninyo? Okay, dalawang birth? Okay, very good. Kasi sayang katakanta ng happy birthday tapos impyerno din, di ba? Kasi isa lang ang birth, dapat dalawang birth, di ba? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Only one will not do. Happy birthday to you. Only one will not do. Born again means salvation. How sweeter as the years go by, sweeter as the years go by, richer, fuller, deeper, Jesus' love is sweeter, sweeter as the years go by. Okay, mayroon pong nagbigay ng cake at mag-blow po ang birthday girl natin. Amen. Okay. Wish muna. Oy, nasa Bible ang wish, ha? Prayer yun. It's a simple prayer in the mind. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Walang picture? Walang nagpipicture. Meron nagpipicture. Amen. Oh, sindihan mo ulit. Hiramin natin yung cake. I-blow natin dito. Dito. Diyan kayo. Huwag kayong umalis. Ito. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Sarap naman ang birthday nyo. Daming handa. Ito yung best na birthday, no? Kaya kung gusto nyo makatipid sa birthday nyo, punta kayo palagi dito. Pero next year, magpa-ice cream na kayo, ha?